This will sound strange, and you will probably find it hard to believe. Imagine that every healthy man in a relationship with a woman wants one thing more than love or even sex. When you discover it, you'll be shocked that you didn't figure it out yourself earlier. However, it doesn't matter because the knowledge you will have will allow you to understand what drives a man on a subconscious level. Knowing it and understanding the mechanism, you will be able to charm almost any man. Use the forgotten key to a man's desire. Click on the link, watch a short video, and download the free ebook. Believe me, you'll read it in one run.